Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is CapCut Pro not working 2026. Here are some common reasons. Outdated app. Older versions may not support new features or bug fixes. Internet connection issues. Weak or unstable internet can block some features, especially cloud-based resources. Device storage or performance issues. Low RAM or insufficient storage can cause the app to freeze or crash. Server issues or maintenance. CapCut servers being down or under maintenance can prevent some Pro features from working. App glitches or bugs. Temporary software issues may stop the app from responding. Subscription or account issues. An active subscription is required for Pro features. Expired subscriptions will prevent access. In short, CapCut Pro usually stops working due to an outdated app, weak internet, device performance problems, or subscription issues. To fix it, update the app, restart your device, or contact CapCut support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.